Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Last video we see about the variable and data type of Python. In this video we are going to see about Python indentation, input and output operation of Python. Python indentation. Do you know what is indentation? Indentation is a space at the beginning of the code. Yeah, it's just a space. Why we have to give a more importance to the space? In other language like C, C++, Java, braces are used to indicate a block of code for a class, function or a flow control. But in Python, indentation is used to indicate a block of code. Each statement in a block must be indented the same amount. It makes the people easier to understand and read. Multi-line statement. We use a bracket to say the expression start and ends here. In Python, we can also use a line continue character for that. Line continue character is a backslash and it denotes the line should continue. Now we are going to add three numbers. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Sum is equal to A plus backslash B plus backslash C. Print of sum. Output is 6. Next one is a command. A string literal begin with a hash sign indicate a command. A command is not executed in a program. Then, what is the use of commands? A command is used to know what the program is going to do or what the function is going to do. When you see a command in a program, you get, oh, this function is used for this purpose by a glance of a command. Otherwise, every time you see the program, you need to read all the instruction to understand the program. Hash, this is a command. Print, open bracket, open quotes, hello world. Close quotes and bracket, hello world. Multiple statement in a single line. In other language, semicolon is used to terminate a single statement. But in Python, semicolons allow multiple statements in one line. A is equal to 1, semicolon, B is equal to 2, semicolon, C is equal to A plus B, semicolon, print of C, semicolon. Input and output operation. Every program takes some input, processes it and gives us the output. Input of and print of are widely used in input and output operation. Python's input function has a single string parameter. The string is often called prompt. Syntax for input. Input open bracket, open square bracket, prompt, close the brackets. N is equal to input open bracket, open the quotes, enter the number, close the quotes and bracket, enter. Now the idle is waiting for the input. Enter the value 92. Print of n. Yeah, wait. At print with the quotes, it looked like a string. We clarify the doubt with type of n. This function is used to print data type of objects. We can see that the n is a string, not a number. To convert a string into an integer, we use the int of function. N is equal to int open bracket, input open bracket and quotes, enter the number, close the quotes and brackets. Enter the number 39. Print of n, type of n. It's integer now. We can also get a float value by a float of function. Python output. The simplest way to print output is by a print of function. To print a string, print, open bracket, open quotes, hello world, close the quotes and bracket, output hello world. To print a value with a string, a is equal to 34. Print, open bracket, open quotes, enter the value is a, close quotes, comma a, close the bracket. Output, the value is 34. Syntax for print. The object is any value to be printed. Sep is used to separate a value. Default one is a space. N specify what to print at the end. Default one is a new line. The file is the object where the value is to be printed. Default is sys.std out of screen. Flash, default is a false. Separator, end, file, flash are all optional. Print, string, hello world. A comma is used to separate a value. It prints the output with a space because the default separator is a space. Now we are going to change the separator and then see how it is going to print. Print open bracket string hello world, sep is equal to hash, end is equal to asterisk. See the output, string hash hello hash world asterisk. Now try to solve a problem. Get an average of 5 numbers. Pause the video and try to do it on your own. Solution. Open a new file. In1 is equal to int open bracket input open bracket enter the value. Copy and paste for 5 times. Change the variable. Average is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 n4 and n5 within bracket divided by 5. Print open bracket open quotes the average of 5 numbers is space close quotes comma avg close bracket. Save your file. I save my file with the name avg.py, or we can also save as avg, can add as an extension by itself. When you try to save your program from Python idle, it automatically saves your program to this directory. Now run the file. You can also run the module by pressing F1 and F5. Enter the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got the output as 3. Thank you for watching my channel. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon